Hi, this is Arran, and today I am reviewing my Lightning Collection Lord Drakkon helmet. So, I've got a few things to say about this helmet, but I'll say that when we actually review the proper helmet. I'll just show you the box. So, this is the Lightning Collection Lord Drakkon helmet box. And the artwork on this box is phenomenal. More phenomenal. I know. So yeah, I love the artwork on this box. So on the front you see the helmet itself. On the side, I'll show you this side first. You have some absolutely amazing artwork by Tom Wayland, and I mean amazing artwork. I think his artwork, bar two other guys I know, is second to none. And I know two other guys that do amazing artwork that don't work for HASBRO, but I have a lot of their artwork. This is the back of the box. You all know the story about Lord Drakkon, but you can read it on the back there. You can pause the video. And on this side is the helmet. One other thing I'm going to show you, which is this side again, which I'm sure I've already shown you, but I love the artwork, so. And it also has some amazing artwork of Lord Drakkon on the front of it. So yeah, let's crack on with the actual helmet. So, I'm talking about the stand first, but I have got the helmet in shot, but I'm going to talk about the stand first. Reason I'm talking about the stand first is where I've taken the headband out of this helmet as well, it's not very easy to get it to balance on the stand. And because of the weight of this one, because of the voice box, it's really delicate to get it on the stand because, well, it's in danger of falling off because of the weight. So yeah, this is the stand, still made out of the regular material or cheap plastic. Again, it has the Mighty Morphin sticker on the front. So there's two, other than make it a better symbol, there's two things I think they could have done with this sticker. Either put Lord Drakkon on the sticker rather than Mighty Morphin, or put the name of the comic it's from on the sticker on the front, which is the Shattered Grid comic. Yeah, this is the stand. Again, like I said, I'm not going to use the stands anymore because they take up too much room, and also the helmets aren't that steady on them. So yeah, onto the helmet now. So this is the Lord Drakkon helmet, which I absolutely love. There are some pros on this, but there are quite a lot of cons. So the pros is the paint detail and the shine on the helmet, and also the visor. I love the red visor. And also, another pro on this is this part of the helmet, this pointy part, doesn't actually come attached to the helmet because of in danger of breaking it, so you can clip it on and off yourself. And also this underneath here is the battery box, so they've also made it so this bit can come off again. For the voice changer, underneath that is the battery box. So now for the cons. There's a couple of cons here. The main con that I have with this is the voice changer. Not only does it not sound like Little Drakkon, and again I'm going to say now, you're better off making your own voices. But with the voice box, because it's built into the mouth part and top part of the helmet, it is really tight in there and really difficult to stay done up. This is probably the worst helmet I've ever worn out of all the helmets I've got, including other brands. This is probably the worst helmet I've ever worn. Not because it's a bad design, it's having the voice changer the way it is. It just, the way it sticks out, it doesn't keep the helmet closed. Because your mouth is constantly pushing against where the voice changer is. It does not keep the helmet closed. So that's my main part about this. And by the way, another thing I want to warn you about, if you are claustrophobic, you may not want to wear this helmet. I'm not claustrophobic, but even I kind of was nervous about wearing it because of how tight it was. And I'm not claustrophobic at all. I've got a load of helmets. So cosplay as the Green and White Ranger, for crying out loud. And so if you're claustrophobic, you may want to pass on this helmet or do what I'm going to get my dad to do, which is take the entire voice box out, which he doesn't know that yet. But yes, the voice box does come out because it screws. It won't be easy to take out, but it does come out. So yeah, unfortunately I'm going to have to get my dad to take the voice box out, which, to be honest, is no biggie for me because the voice boxes never sound like the actors. Never. The Lord Zed helmet in particular, I've seen videos of that, sounds nothing like him at all. In fact, I've passed on that helmet because I'm getting off track here, but I just want to tell you the reason why I've passed on the Lord Zed helmet. One is because the voice changer sounds nothing like Rock Monster Wise, and I think his most famous, or one of his most famous monsters was Lord Zed, because he played the voice for Lord Zed. And another quick thing about Lord Zed is he was the first American thought of Power Ranger baddie. He was not in the Japanese one, which I think is quite cool. So yeah, I've passed on the Lightning Collection Lord Zed helmet because of the voice changer, and it's, to be honest, it's very plastic looking. It's worse than these, and that's why I've passed on it. Not for what you're getting, I don't think it's worth that money. And like I said, it's all really plasticky. Some bits of the chrome looking pieces aren't right at all. They don't even look like they're supposed to look. So yeah, that's why I've passed on the Lord Zed helmet. Plus I've actually got a better Lord Zed helmet, which I haven't reviewed yet, so I'm not going to tell you much about it because I've still got to review it. But I am really happy with how it turned out, and you guys will love it. And I reckon some of you guys will probably say, will I sell it? And I'm going to say right off the bat, even though this isn't a review on that, the answer is no, I will not be selling it. So, yeah, unfortunately with this, my dad's going to take the voice box out, or, like I said, it could be the voice box that is pushing it open all the time, because it only pops open when I'm talking, which makes me think it's the voice changer, because when I'm not talking in it, it doesn't pop open. You will hear a bit of me talking in this, so you will hear me talking in it, but it will be my normal voice. But yeah, the design of the helmet is fantastic, love it. The downfalls, like I said, of the voice changer, and what I'm going to do is I will try it on once my dad's taken the voice changer out, see how it is on me then, and I will also do a little follow-up video on how it is with the voice changer with it, not in it. One last thing, I also recommend not using the voice changer. I recommend you do your own voice, because it just sounds a lot better. Yeah, fantastic looking helmet, does have its flaws. Oh, by the way, I'm going to turn it a minute just to show you guys. The clasps on it aren't actual clasps, they're made to look like clasps, but they are actually where the magnets are. So you've just got to pull it open. So yeah. So I'm doing a voiceover here, but I've been wearing the helmet for almost a minute here, and with me not talking, it's not popped off at all. So this just proves that it is the voice changer that's popping it off, because every time I talked it would pop off because the voice changer is right against my jaw. So whenever I talked it would pop off. But yeah, love this helmet, looks absolutely phenomenal, more phenomenal, and I recommend you buy it. But if you're claustrophobic, you either may want to pass or not wear it at all. I'm not claustrophobic, I've got loads of helmets, but it did kind of make me a bit nervous about wearing it. But yeah, highly recommend this helmet. I recommend you don't use the voice changer, It's not worth it. It sounds nothing like the actors. I will leave the link to this down below. It does steam up really fast, but yeah, love this helmet. The design of it is fantastic. That's the end of this review. Thanks for watching, and I'll just say quickly again, I will do a follow-up video once my dad has taken the voice changer out, just to let you know how it feels and fits on my head, and I'll do a bit of talking in it as well once my dad's taken the voice changer out. That won't be for a little while yet, because of other things we've got going on, but I will definitely do a follow-up video. But yeah, this is a Lord Drakkon helmet. All in all, great design, except for the voice changer. Love it, and I almost, actually, one last quick thing before I end. I almost passed on this helmet, but then I saw someone wearing it in one of the HASBRO live streams, and I was like, right, that's it, I've got to get it. Plus it's another evil version of JDF, so I couldn't help myself, really. Particularly when it comes to JDF, let's just say I'm a bit obsessed with JDF. So yeah, that's the end of this review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Oh, one more thing, which I meant to say earlier on in the review. I will put the link to the little short film they did with JDF as Lord Drakkon in the description below, and I'll also put the link to this in the description below as well. So yeah, this really is the end of the review this time. So thanks for watching, bye bye, and I'll see you later.